if I told you the average person is missing $600 in their monthly paychecks? It's just gone, not there when you need it most. And what if I told you that you're actually being misled into giving it away? Hey everybody, Beth Hayes here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the importance of income shifting and where you're getting it wrong when it comes to your paychecks. The IRS W-4 form is a critically important form in your financial life. If you're like most Americans and you make money as an employee, you receive a W-2 at the beginning of each year. You then take that tax form and the same form from your spouse if you have one, and you file your income taxes for the previous year. Now, here's where we've all been misled. Or maybe it's more accurate to say we're using outdated information. Information that was good for our parents, maybe even good for us 20 years ago, but it just doesn't work in 2025. You see, we're filling out our W-4 forms incorrectly. We're using the outdated notion of having our employer withhold as much taxes as possible from our checks so that we can get a large refund in the spring when we file our taxes. Well, that might have been okay at one point, but now it's an outdated idea that just doesn't work for most of us anymore. When you follow that plan of having the maximum amount withheld from your check, you're actually giving the government an interest-free loan. In other words, they're taking your money from your check and keeping it for 9 or 10 or 11 months, and you're not charging them a dime in interest. Then if you're lucky, you'll get it back in the spring. But that's not always the case. You don't always get it all back in the form of a tax refund. It just doesn't seem like a very good business practice to give the government an interest-free loan of the extra money withheld from your paychecks. We all know that if we get a loan from the government or a bank or pretty much anyone else, we have to pay interest on that money, regardless of what we do with it. It's just not a smart business plan to let them keep your money for free. In 2025, a much smarter business plan is for us to keep our extra money. Most of us can use that extra $600 per month to help pay for gas or food or rent or any other bills that come up. The state of our economy is constantly changing. Raises are getting harder to come by. More people are competing for the jobs that are out there. So with all of this in mind, why would we want to give the government our money to keep when we can keep it and put it to good use in our lives? Now, as I mentioned, it's critical that we fill out our Form W-4 correctly so that we can pay just the right amount of taxes without giving the government a free loan. You may ask, how do I know how to fill out my W-4 form correctly so that I can keep more of my money each month? I'm glad you asked, because I can help you with that. MyEcon can help you with that. This is what income shifting is all about. This is what a cash flow success membership is all about. Starting with learning how to fill out your W-4 form correctly to maximize your take-home pay, and then continuing with other products in the digital membership to help you get better credit, pay down your debt, and improve your entire financial outlook. Do you want to find the missing $600 from your paychecks each month? Well, there's no need to put up missing posters around your neighborhood or make a post on social media to locate it. Instead, let me help you get started with income shifting and your very own cash flow success membership right now. Don't forfeit any more money this year. Send me a text message, drop me a comment, or click the link below to get started today. Now, if you found value in this video, please make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I post new content regarding MyEcon, income shifting, making money online, my cancer journey, or anything else that I post about. Looking forward to chatting with you again real soon, and I'll see you on the next video.